In the last 24 hours, the Trade Confident account is up $22,500. Absolutely insane. Bitcoin is attempting to break its current resistance at $43,569. Now, at this point, we are facing a major bearish pattern, and while there may be a little bit more room to move up, we are expecting massive moves to the downside. Here's what you need to know. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. As of today, we are 131 wins, 0 losses for our 11-month trading record. Absolutely crazy. And with this, plus the data we show in the future forecast videos here, with a new video today, 12 years of Bitcoin data says this is the moment retail traders mess up and miss hundreds of thousands of profits. Watch. Between the forecast videos and the trade setups, in the last 24 hours, the Trade Confident account is up $22,500. Absolutely insane. And if you want to see how we're doing this, you're going to want to join the membership at the links in the description down below. More on that later, but for now, let's jump into the analysis. We're going to switch things up a little bit today. I'm starting on the live charts. We're looking at Bitcoin USD on the one-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. As I said earlier, we are actively testing resistance here at $43,569. Now, there is a small chance of a break to the upside, and if we do, 45,000 is the absolute maximum that I think we could hit. And in doing so, we would create what's called a head and shoulders pattern. We got the left shoulder here, neckline, head, neckline, and if we meet that left shoulder again on the right and we begin moving back down, that all but guarantees a massive move to the downside. If we head back to the tradeconfident.io website and go to the trading patterns tab, we're going to scroll down to head and shoulders. This is exactly what's playing out. Most often this will start in an uptrend. You'll see a move down, much bigger move up, back down, move up to match that previous shoulder, and most often this will result in a significant reversal. The pattern ends in a downtrend even if it starts in an uptrend. So this is the first point I want to show you as to why Bitcoin is looking bearish right now. Number 2, let's check the indicators on the one-day time frame. We're going to go through a couple time frames here, but first up, price versus well money flow is in the middle of its chart, right around the 60 mark. Trades in favor is high with 66% chance of a drop. Now, if we manage to break through this resistance and head up to 45,000, we should see price versus well money flow higher. Trades in favor should be higher, and when they're both high, this means that whales are oversold and upward momentum has run out, both of which typically result in moves back to the downside. So when you get both lighting up at the same time, this is extremely bearish. Now, if we get a sell signal at this top, all three of these almost guarantee a drop. Now, this is the one-day time frame. This is something that should play out within the next week or so. If we head to the 1 week time frame, this is something that's going to play out over the next month or so. Here, we got price versus well money flow high. We've got trades in favor high. We've got a sell and strong sell signal. And as I told you earlier, these all combine to be extremely bearish. Most often, this will result in significant moves down. And previously, on the 1 week time frame, we actually see the price of Bitcoin drop to previous highs, and that is where $31,862 comes into play for our main structure support. On top of that, we also have this beautiful ascending structure support that we need to pay attention to that intersects directly with that $31,800 level. And from the current price, it comes out to about a 26.45% drop. And if we make it up to $45,000, it'll actually be even larger. So this is something we really need to watch out for. 1 week time frame predicting about a month out shows bearish, and the 1 day time frame predicting about a week out shows bearish as well. Now stick with me here. I want you guys to be able to access this data for yourselves. These indicators have absolutely crushed it in this market. We'll finish up our analysis in just a minute, but I want to make sure you can follow along. And with that, if you want these indicators, there would have helped us earn 130 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades, along with our risk management strategy. And right now, I can help you get them for up to $550 off. Check this out. Links are going to be down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and hear me out here, but you're going to want to snag a membership first. And that's because Besides the amazing future forecast videos and trade setups with many more benefits, you're also going to get massive indicator coupon codes. It's actually significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Grab your discount, grab your money-making benefits, click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and from there, you're going to go to the second link to find the indicators. From here, you're going to scroll down. The Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Like I said, members get a massive discount. Access that coupon code here, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Just go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Before we finish up the analysis, I want to talk to you a little bit more about the future forecast video. Travis is going to show you a study of the mid-cycle top retrace, which has trapped traders for the last 12 years in the wrong direction. What we believe comes next is a trap for retailers, and Travis has evidence going back to 2012 to prove this. On top of this, he's going to show you solid evidence of how to time the bottom of altcoins and give you an exact risk management strategy to make the most money in this next bull run. We've been doing this since 2016 and the patterns are all lining up again. Now, as a heads up, a member request recently has been to talk about moon phases in our future forecast videos. Travis wasn't able to do that in this video, but he's going to try and do so on Friday for those interested. You do not want to miss out on this future forecast video. This is going to show you further proof of the massive drop incoming within the next month or so and how you're going to make the most profit from it. And with that, we're going to head into our metrics. We're going to scroll down to Bitcoin, and the very first metric we're taking a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. Now, we have seen some drastic movements in this metric. After dropping all the way into fearful territory and bottoming out, most often you're going to see whales buy up that dip. That's exactly what happened. We saw the price rise, but now we are back into excited territory. And the last time this happened resulted in our last drop. So we need to be very careful. Now we could see a little bit higher of a move on up to $45,000, but that's the maximum. And even if it pushes up into greedy, this is still extremely bearish. So watch out for the emotional index here. Next up, we need to be paying very close attention to smart money. Whales are very likely to enter short trades at this point, although it's not until we see a value of around -800 that we're really looking for those drops to happen. As soon as whales begin selling the top in order to take their profits, they're going to enter short trades and push the price down even further, and this is going to be a big catalyst for that move down to $31,800. This shows what whales are likely to do soon, and if we scroll down here with the whale money flow relative to price chart, we can see what whales are actually doing today. At the time of screenshot, whales were actively beginning to move money out of the market. This no longer seems to be the case. Overall, we're feeling very, very neutral. Whales really can't decide what they're wanting to do at this point. But what I want our traders to watch out for is the whale money movement. If you see this green line in tomorrow's screenshot dropping significantly, you're going to see the price of Bitcoin drop significantly with it. But if you see it move up, you should see the price of Bitcoin move up as well. It is literally as simple as that. And last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. We got a sell signal here, which resulted in a little bit of a short squeeze. Thank you, whales. You do this all the time, guys. Come on. What we're going to be looking for as the price moves up is another sell signal. I think we're going to post another one as we hit the right shoulder on the head and shoulders pattern, and that is going to perfectly call the move down, because at that point, we will have confluence between our other metrics and indicators that should indicate that drop. Now, if you are a Bitcoin trader, you need to be paying very close attention to these metrics, even if you're not a Bitcoin trader. The rest of the crypto market tends to track what Bitcoin is doing, so it's very important to pay attention. These metrics, along with all the money-making benefits I showed you earlier, are included in our membership at the links in the description down below. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the future forecast video released today. Don't miss out.